What's up? What it do? It's Sugar with Good Big Low 777. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning, and I'm up putting out a message. So I don't know why I really got it to put out a message this time of night. But here we go. We finna just tap right in. So whenever y'all see this, if you're up and you see this, the message may be in here for you. I don't know. But you know, say what resonate with you, but don't. If it's not your story, please don't make it fit. You know, it may resonate with a lot of people, or it may resonate with nobody. So, yeah. Spirit, what's the message for the collective? What you want the collectives to know? What you want them to be aware of? Spirit, Holy Spirit, my angels, my ancestors, all of divine light, that are called to. What's the message? So you got the 6 of Pentacles. Somebody could want to balance something out with you. Somebody could be up thinking about you right now. Somebody could be thinking about they want to balance something out with you. Somebody could view you as a gift. This 6 of Pentacles is all about some type of equal give and take. You know, somebody may want to give you something, gift you something as well. So what's the message? What is the message? What's the energy for the collective? Yeah, Temperance. Somebody want to heal something with you. Temperance also speak on patience, healing. I just said that. Well, healing something, balancing something out, or being balanced, remaining balanced, being placed on some type of new path. Okay, and that's how, like I said, somebody could want to give to you. This could be a Sagittarius. Whoever this Sagittarius person is, this person could be healing. Somebody could feel like, or somebody feel like something is a missed opportunity, like, you know, with the 4 of Cups here. So what's the message? What's going on for the collective? For anybody that do come across this video, what you want them to know, what you want them to be aware of. Yeah, somebody want to give to you, balance something out with you. They see you as they 10 of Cups. Their happiness, they wish fulfillment, you know, their joy. Yeah, this person could be studying, you could be getting tarot readings on you, or somebody with this person, you might receive a message from this person. Some type of good news could be randomly coming in from this person as well. And I'm also picking up, I don't know why, maybe somebody might get, you know, a couple of dollars, you know what I'm saying, a couple of extra dollars. But it's going to help them bring in stability. I don't know why this can be, but yeah, somebody might get some money. So you got a Hangman, yeah. Somebody could be letting go of something, breaking free from some type of, breaking free from something. You know what I'm saying? Hell, yeah, somebody could be in this cocoon energy, isolated to themselves, and bitch, now they about to spread their wings like a butterfly, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, somebody could be also looking into you, viewing you as they 10 of Cups. Whoever this person is, this person could be feeling stuck as well, like with this Hangman energy. Yeah, somebody could be reminiscing on the past, something with the past. Spirit, what's the message? Happiness, joy. I feel somebody could be breaking free from something. They're going towards their happiness. The joy. You somebody joy, you somebody happiness. After ended something with somebody else, somebody lays on the rest. You could have healed from something after healing something with somebody. Yeah. What's the message? Spirit. Child, you got the Sun card, 2 of Cups, 10 of Cups, 6 of Pentacles, Temperance. Yeah, this is some type of relationship. Somebody could be just up thinking about you, and yeah, this is probably why I'm getting this energy. But so you got the 2 of Cups, some type of new partnership, relationship going on, energy. Somebody